How to complete the Dual Enrollment Request Form. Student process and steps. There are two different Dual Enrollment Request Forms. The CCAP form, which is for students who attend a high school that Victor Valley College partners with, and the Non-CCAP form, which is for any high school student. To complete the forms, connect with your high school counselor for the direct links. After clicking on the links, you'll be brought here to sign in. Your username and password can be found within the VVC welcome email that you would have received after applying to Victor Valley College through the CCC Apply website. Enter your username and password and then click Sign In. From this portion of the form, read the Information for Students section. After you're finished reading the section, click Next at the bottom of the screen. Within this portion of the form, you should see your student information. If it is missing or blank, go ahead and enter your VVC ID number and it should populate your information for you. Then, scroll down to the Courses I am requesting approval for section. Select the semester in which you want to take the course, then the subject for the course you want to take, and then finally the course that you want to take. If you have multiple courses that you are seeking approval for, go ahead and list them below. After you've listed all the courses, click to sign. Enter your first name and last name, then click Sign electronically. Next, we're going to enter your parents' information, and you're going to enter their first name, last name, and email address. This could also be your guardian's information. Before we continue, I'd like to highlight that this section can only be completed by your parent or guardian, and we'll be reviewing those steps after the student steps. Next, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the form and click Submit Form. You have now completed your portion of the form. Parent or guardian process and steps. Parents or guardians, you would receive the following email after your high school student has completed their portion of the request form. Please click on the sentence that reads, "Click here to complete your section of the form." Next, click on the Create New Account button located on the bottom beneath Login. From this section, you're going to create a username, password, enter your first name and last name, your email address is going to be entered, and you're going to select a security question and answer. After that has been created, you're going to click on the Create Account button. You'll be presented with this screen asking you to verify your email. Please go to the inbox of the email you listed previously. You should find this email there. Click on the hyperlink that reads Confirm Email, and that will take you to the account activated screen. From here, click Log in to Dynamic Forms. Now, use that username and password you just created, then click Log in. You are now on the Dual Enrollment Request Form. Please read the Information for Parents section, and once you're done, scroll down to the bottom and click Next. You are now presented with your students' information and the courses that they are seeking approval for. If everything looks correct, scroll down to the Parent Guardian section, and you're going to want to read that information presented there. If everything is okay, click the consent check mark, then enter your name and click Sign electronically to sign the form. Once you have signed, click the Submit Form button on the bottom of the screen. You have now completed your portion of the form. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please reach out to your high school counselor and/or school, or call the Admissions and Records Department at Victor Valley College. Thank you.